pearl. You see that? Oh, that sounds like somebody getting a taste of the candy. Hi, this is your girl Kandi, and it's time for us to talk about some bedroom candy. You know, this is my favorite thing to talk about. And this is one of our new products. This is the Bedroom Candy Splash Collection, and this particular one is the ripple. When we say we want you to splash, we want you to go you know what I mean. So we have this new Pleasure Pearl technology. All right, let's see what we got. Ooh, pearl. You see that? Oh, that sounds like somebody getting a taste of the candy. Oh, we got a little pearl for the pearl. Do you see that pearl? Working it. You got a vibration. You really ain't gonna be able to last that long. I can tell you that. Wait, I'm not gonna do this in front of y'all. You need to get you one, because don't nobody have this, okay?